Hey guys, so today we're reviewing a wig from YGwigs, and it came in this super cute drawstring bag, and inside the bag it had this box. The box came with hoop earrings as a gift, and I think they're like pink rose gold hoop earrings, so that's super cute. Also came with these weird looking bangs. I'm guessing that's what it is. That's why I was kind of looking at it like that. And then it of course has clips for you to hold your hair back, a comb for your edges, edge brush, and a wig cap as well. And then also inside of the box it had the wig straps that you can sew on there yourself and add into the wig if you need it tighter. And then of course the wig. So this unit is body wave, and the curls are really springy. As you guys can see, it is a 5x5 closure unit, and it has combs in the front and in the back as well for extra security. So as you guys can see, the lace looks really good already, so I know I'm not going to have any issues with blending this lace in with my skin tone. And I don't usually leave curls like this in, but I'm going to see what they're looking like today. So of course I'm going in and using my hot comb to flatten out my part. I want to do a middle part, so we're just going to go ahead and start with that. So I'm cutting the lace off really easily, and as you guys can see, again, like I said, the lace looks really good, but I'm going to go in with my Fix It ORS hairspray and spray the front down for extra hold. So I'm just going to wrap it up and let it sit for a little bit and come back to you guys and show you all the results. So this is the finished look of this wig. I absolutely love these curls. Now I could have washed it and just did my own curls, but I just wanted you guys to see how this wig came. The curls are really bouncy, but the only thing is they're not going to stay. So once you wash it or if you curl it, they're not gonna stay. So as you guys can see, these two front pieces, I just went ahead and curled myself because I had brushed them out a little bit and they got messed up, but it still looks really good. It curls really well. It holds a curl really good as well, so that's a good thing about this hair. And the 5x5 closure is giving you so much space, guys, and it ends at your temples, and it just, I love how deep the part goes back. This hair is really nice, as you guys can see. Super bouncy, and I love this look. It's super cute. I think this is cute for like a date night look, or just somewhere where you want to have a lot of curls and a lot of bounce in body. So I'll leave all the specs on this hair down in the description box, guys. Let me know how you like this hair. If you have any additional questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I will chat with you guys down there. So remember, guys, do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.